Okay, so continuing today with the percent proportion. Now we're getting into word problems that have a lot more things going on where we have to figure out what goes where and what stands for what. So Bob has 200 songs downloaded. Of these songs, 24 are country songs. What percent of Bob's songs are country songs? So he has 200 songs downloaded. Of these songs that are downloaded, 24 are country songs. What percent of Bob's songs are country songs? Okay, so when I look at what I'm solving for in this particular problem, the question's asking for what percent. So my variable stands for the percent, and just like before, all percents are out of 100. Now, the very first thing it says is that Bob has 200 songs downloaded. That is all of his songs. Those are his total songs. So I'm going to put the 200 beside 100% of his songs, and I'm going to put the label in here, total. We didn't put a lot of labels in yesterday's proportions, but they were very like one sentence problems. These are getting a little bit more complex. So of these songs, 24 are country. Now I'm looking for the percent that are country. And if 24 are country, I need to match it up with my variable. So this is my country songs, and that's what I'm solving for, is the percent that are country. Okay, so just like yesterday, cross multiplying here, 200p equals 2,400. Divide both sides by 200, and I am going to get the p is equal to 12% are country. Make sure we're labeling this. And don't forget your percent symbol, since we also are solving for a percent, because the number 12 and the number 12% are not the same thing. So we can check this. We can go plug it in and see if we get the same when we cross multiply or cross products. A lot of times I tell you with word problems to not necessarily check them from the problem because we set it up ourselves. And what if we set it up incorrectly? We could go to where we were comparing the 24 country songs to the 200 total songs. And if we do that, we would get 1,200. So if we divide that out, multiply that by 100, we're getting 12%. So that kind of helps us see whether our answer makes sense. Then, think about it this way too. He has 200 total songs, and we're only talking about 24 of them. Half would be 100. So our answer has to be smaller than half. And our answer definitely is smaller than half. So it makes sense to get 12% are country songs if 24 songs that are country out of 200 total songs.